In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a PowerPoint from editing. Whether you're sharing a presentation with colleagues or submitting a project for school, there are times when you want to ensure your PowerPoint remains unchanged. This can protect your work from accidental edits or preserve the integrity of your presentation. Let's dive into how you can lock your PowerPoint from editing in just a few simple steps. First, let's open Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's the gateway to all the functionalities we'll explore today. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the opening screen, where you'll see a list of recent documents and an option to open other presentations stored on your computer. From here, browse and select the file you wish to protect. It's a straightforward process, but remember, the file needs to be fully loaded before we proceed to the next steps. Now, with your PowerPoint file open, let's direct our attention to the main menu at the top of the screen. You're looking for the File tab, which when clicked will unveil a world of options related to your document. The File menu is essentially the control room of PowerPoint, where you can manage settings, access information about your presentation, and perform a variety of actions. Within the File menu, we'll need to locate the Info section. This might require a bit of scrolling depending on your screen size and resolution. The Info section is a central hub for managing document specifics, including its properties, permissions, and related documents. It's where PowerPoint gathers all the critically important details and settings for your presentation. Once you're in the Info section, look for a button or link labeled Protect Presentation. It's usually accompanied by an icon symbolizing security or protection. Clicking on Protect Presentation will open a drop-down menu with several options designed to secure your document in various ways. Each option serves a different purpose, from marking your presentation as final to encrypting it with a password. For our purposes, we'll focus on one particular feature. In the drop-down menu under Protect Presentation, you'll want to select Always Open Read Only. This option, as the name suggests, ensures that anyone who opens your PowerPoint will do so in a read-only mode by default. What this means is they'll be able to view but not edit the contents of your presentation unless they explicitly choose to enable editing. This is a fantastic way to discourage unintended modifications while still allowing for review and presentation. After choosing Always Open Read Only, you might wonder, is that all? Yes, it is. Your PowerPoint presentation is now set to open in read-only mode for anyone who accesses it. However, remember that this method doesn't completely lock your document. Users can still choose to override the read-only mode if they wish. For complete protection, consider password protecting your presentation or using more advanced permission settings. Before we wrap up, a few additional tips. Always remember to save your PowerPoint after making any changes to its settings. It might also be wise to inform your recipients about the read-only status of your presentation to prevent confusion or frustration. And finally, if you ever need to remove the read-only restriction, simply revisit the Protect Presentation menu and adjust the settings as needed. Locking a PowerPoint from editing is a simple yet effective way to safeguard your hard work. By following the steps we've outlined today, you can ensure your presentation remains exactly as you intended, no matter where it goes or who views it. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking to protect their creative efforts, this knowledge is an invaluable tool in your digital toolkit. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found this information helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that will help you navigate the world of digital documents and presentations with confidence and ease.